Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums. On the left, we have the iRobot Roomba 694. Let's call it Roomba 694 feet. And on the right, we have the Roborock Qrevo S robot vacuum, or as I like to call it, the Qrevo S buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. First up, let's talk about the big elephant in the room, the price. The Roomba 694 comes in at a humble $274. That's right, folks, it's cheaper than your last grocery bill. On the other hand, the Qrevo S is priced at a jaw-dropping $799. I mean, for that price, it better sing me lullabies and make my morning coffee. Now, let's talk design. The Roomba 694 is sleek and stylish, perfect for those who want their vacuum to match their modern home decor. It's got this auto-adjust cleaning head that adapts to different surfaces, like it's auditioning for a role in Transformers. Meanwhile, the Qrevo S looks like it's ready to launch into space with its advanced docking station. It's not just a vacuum, it's a whole cleaning ecosystem. It's got a water tank that could hydrate a small village and a hot air drying feature to keep things fresh. It's like having a mini car wash in your living room. Let's dig into cleaning efficiency. The Roomba 694 is like your reliable old friend who shows up every day, rain or shine. It has adaptive navigation and can run for up to 90 minutes before it needs a nap. Recharge. Reviewers appreciate its effectiveness, especially for pet hair, although it can miss spots and get stuck on thick rugs. The Qrevo S, on the other hand, is like the overachieving cousin who has a 4.0 GPA and volunteers on weekends. With 7,000 pascals suction power, it could probably vacuum up your lost hopes and dreams. And don't get me started on its dual spinning mops that can tackle everything from soda spills to dried-on messes. Reviewers rave about its efficiency, especially its ability to handle hair without tangling and its strong suction power. When it comes to smart features, the Roomba 694 is no slouch. It's got sensors that prevent it from falling down the stairs, because nobody wants a vacuum with a death wish. Plus, you can control it with the iRobot Home app or your voice assistant. It's like having a pet that actually listens to you. But the Qrevo S takes smart to a whole new level. It's got precision obstacle avoidance with reactive tech, which sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie. And with its upgraded app control, you can create multi-level maps and set restricted areas. It's basically a vacuum with a PhD in cleaning. Reviewers love its intuitive app customization options and the ability to handle various floor types efficiently. Overall, reviewers find the Roomba 694 to be a budget-friendly and reliable option, especially effective for pet hair, but with some limitations like noise and occasional missed spots. On the other hand, the Roborock Qrevo S is praised for its high efficiency, strong suction power, and advanced features, making it a worthwhile investment for those willing to spend more. So there you have it, folks. If you're on a budget and want a reliable vacuum that gets the job done, the Roomba 694 is your go-to. But if you're ready to splurge and want a vacuum that practically does your taxes, the Qrevo S is the way to go. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep it smart, keep it savvy, and keep it clean.